In terms of industries that we can access, just to name a few, we have aerospace and defense, where prototyping is really a must-have. You also need to be able to control your supply chain. NF-LITE brings significant value in that respect, because instead of having a whole lab that allows you to do deposition of not just materials or structures, but also devices, and even integrate those devices inside systems. A second industry that we're targeting is micro-optics and photonics. The great advantage of this machine in that case is the ability to create materials with extremely high refractive index, very high quality and density of materials, and also great control of the thickness of deposition, which is extremely important to have quality optics. A third market that we are also addressing is biotech, and in that aspect what we can do is allow the creation of, for example, lab-on-chips. We can make deposition inside microfluidics, we can make electrodes in the microfluidics, we can deposit sensors directly integrated in microfluidics, and this will definitely help in the advancement of this industry. Another industry that we are targeting is the semiconductor industry and consumer electronics, and in that respect this tool is perfect for this. I mean, as I just described, we can deposit materials with similar quality as what the semiconductor industry is currently using. We can also deposit conformally. So this brings, this tool, the Nanofabricator LITE, essentially enables the ability to create new sorts of packages and processes for packages in electronics.